Well, I'm getting a little bit of a late start today. I'm getting back to work on this sailboat demolition. Yesterday we ended it with making it a convertible when I cut the roof of the cabin off and tossed it on the ground. Today I'm hoping to have the entire hull stripped down, hopefully down to that red line right there for the water line. If I get that far today, I'll be real happy. That means tomorrow the rest of it will be loaded up on the trailer, and maybe we can get it to the landfill in one trip. Yeah, today I'm going to go ahead and try and cut off as much above that water line as I can. As far as just, the hull itself, that's fine. It's just all this interior piece where they've made all these cubby holes for storage and stuff. I think that's going to be the most time consuming on cutting up. But it won't get done unless I hurry up and get started, right? I'm going to begin today removing these heavy aluminum brackets that the mast turnbuckles and everything fasten to. On the inside, it's got 7 bolts and about an 1/8 inch thick aluminum plate on this side, and I don't know what that is, about 3/8 of an inch aluminum. But I already removed the one on the other side. It's still in place, but as you can see, all the bolts are out. I mean, it's just hanging on there with dust. I don't know what's holding it. I think if I just tap it with a screwdriver, it'll pop right off. But go ahead and pull the other one off. Okay, I made the first cuts with the chainsaw. The chainsaw takes a little bit to get started through the fiberglass, but once it's through, it makes quick work of it. So yeah, made some good windows all the way through. Now I can visually, see where I'm cutting on the inside while I'm standing outside. So it's working out pretty good. Go ahead and cut some more. I just finished cutting the entire bow section, and I've got like maybe a ½ inch of fiberglass holding the entire front of the boat, the whole sleeping quarter and bow area together. So I'm probably going to have to take a screwdriver and a hammer and break that last little piece, because even the sawzall blade won't reach up in there. So let's see if we can get that front removed. Okay, instead of trying to use a hammer and screwdriver to break that ½ inch of fiberglass, I think what we're going to do, since it's cut all across here and then all the way through the bottom, I think what we'll do is just hook a chain around the front and hook it up to one of the Jeeps and see if we can just pull the whole damn thing off. I think it'll work. Get one last look at it with the bow section still on. Well, now the boat's a whole lot shorter. I'm going to strip out the back and basically do the same thing to the back of the boat. It's just a lot more stuff inside. I mean, it's still got the battery, bilge pump, water tank, a whole bunch of stuff back there that we got to pull out, and I got to remove a lot of hatches and stuff. It's just harder to get to, but I can always cut a hole in the side and make an access. I have a feeling that'll be tomorrow though.